All right, guys. Thanks, Josh, for picking that up. We got 3 boxes of 2023 Topps Series 1 Hobby. Looking for 1 autographed or relic in every box. Here we go. Let's read some names. Hey, what's up, Alex? There's some skin in the game after being outfit for soccer. You got it, man. Appreciate you stopping by. Here we go. Break 488. We got Brian R. with the Diamondbacks, Josh with the Braves, Eric S. with the Orioles, Alexander T. with the Red Sox, Josh with the Cubs, Paul M. with the White Sox, Roger G. with the Reds, Travis F. with the Guardians, Brian R. with the Rockies, Trevor with the Tigers, William T. with the Astros, Ben O. with the Royals, Joshua picked up Angels, Roger G. Dodgers, Josh E. Marlins, Alexander Brewers, Craig F. Twins, Joseph G. Yankees, Christopher M. Mets, Darren with the A's, Eric B. Phillies, Robert M. Pirates, Padres going to Randall, Keith with the Giants, Robert M. Mariners, Jason B. Cardinals, Bill with the Rays, Randall with the Rangers, Blue Jays Jacob, and Linton with the Nationals. Congratulations to everybody who won their team. We appreciate you joining us at Wax Zone for your breaking needs. All right. 3 boxes. A lot of cards, everyone. A lot of cards. Thanks, Josh. There's our packy pack. Man, that's a lot of cards. Keep forgetting. Good stuff. Good stuff. He says good stuff, guys. Good stuff. All right, maybe we'll get some unpaid magic.
We did pick up a case of the Topps Chrome Sonic Light, so if you guys are interested in that, we have that available, and we will be breaking that next week as well. Most likely, we'll probably be doing 3 box breaks of that. We do have more Series 1 left. Tomorrow we have
Jumbo tomorrow,
and then next week we'll have more Hobby, more Jumbo, and then, as I mentioned, the Chrome Sonic Light. Not sure if that's a what do you call it?
A draw,
or
let's see. Boom or bust. We'll find out.
Boom or bust. Josh, you want a personal Sonic? Sure, man. We can make that happen.
Do you have it already here? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That just came out, right?
Yeah, today.
Today?
Yeah.
Personal Supersonic. My goodness, so many cards. Feel like a casino dealer with all these cards. It's just insanity. But hey, we're going to go through them, and we're going to hopefully find some fire. Message the man on Discord.
Yep.
Tell him it's $500.
$500.
You know, he probably lost money on betting on the birds.
Yeah, we were talking about you, Josh, yesterday. In a good last week. I said Josh isn't here. He must be still recovering from the big game. As in, like, your hangover, because I know you went to the
hangover.
Yeah, he was there, man.
He was probably climbing poles in Philly. They do that anyway, and they like burn down their own city regardless if they win or lose. I'm not even joking.
Don't talk bad about Josh. He doesn't even live in Philly.
I know, that's why I think it's funny. I mean, what are the odds that they would play in Arizona while he's in Arizona and the Phillies playing?
And painful? Oh, man. I get it. How long did it take you to recover? Because it took us a week from when we went out, like a couple weeks ago.
Yeah, that was not fun. That was not fun. Actually, it was great fun. All right, here we go, everyone. Let's pull some fire here. All right, McKinnon. We have a foil of Cooper for Miami. Prado. Downs. Stowers. Bello. I love these. All aces. Nice. There you go. A little Ohtani insert for you, Josh. Those look cool. Jonathan Aranda. Peraza. Number to 499. Bo Brisky, green foil. Bo Brisky for the Detroit Tigers. There you go, Trevor. Numbered 340 of 499. It's hard to see it over there. There you go, Bo Brisky. Mark Appel. Zalar. And we have a Ricky Henderson throwback. The A's. Josh Smith. Winkowski. A Christopher Morel. Moreno. Brandon Hughes. By the way, I'm just picking out the rookies, and obviously any variations are numbered. So if I miss any, sorry. 1-2 punch. That's going to be Nola and Wheeler for the Phillies. And if I miss, they put the rookies down here and up here. So it's, you know, if I miss, like here's one for Rutschman, and here's one for Palacios. So if I miss it, just I apologize. Hall, we certainly will penny sleeve all rookies anyway. Caleb Killian.
No short prints yet, Josh, out of this.
Green. Oh, you mean the gold stuff?
Yeah.
Not yet. Matthew Liberatore, Cardinals, throwback, rookie. Seguro. Did you just sigh?
I did.
Grissom. Lemons. Liberatore. Harris. Is this considered slamming the cards? No. Jordan Alvarez. I don't want to get yelled again. Got yelled at, Josh. I was supposedly slamming the cards. And you have to go through 5,000 cards. Congratulations, Pittsburgh Pirates, Travis Swaggerty. There you go, Pittsburgh. Robert M. Travis Swaggerty rookie autograph. Very nice. Outfielder for the Pittsburgh Pirates. Congrats, Robert. All right, we got Nolan Gorman, Vargas, Will Clark, throwback, rookie of Gonzalez, rookie Jones, Martin, all right, let's keep it going. All right. Don Mattingly for the Yanks, throwback.
Josh, I sent you that message. Man.
All right there, buddy? I mean, I know you do a lot of talking, but...
definitely
Cassis.
It's the lack of talking, I think.
Oh, well, we can solve that, Henderson. You could certainly solve that, buddy. Kyle Stowers, I should say. Welcome to the club, 3030 Dale Murphy. Evan Lee. Ethan Small. A rookie of Bello and a looks like a foil of Tyler Wells for Orioles. And for New York Mets, we have the pick a game for a shot to win. Rookie Michael Grove. Rookie Pasquantino. Swaggerty again. Christopher Yelich.
Sounds good, brother. We'll do it at the end of the night, okay?
Oh, sweet stuff.
Well, Martin will do that for you at the end of the night.
Who's this Martin guy? Langulaires. Sosa. Any relation to Sammy? Herrera. Kennedy. Batty. Marcus Wilson, rookie. David Villar to 2023. That's going to be a Doo-Doo Brown. David Villar to 2023 for San Francisco. Corey Lee. All Aces. Miami Marlins, Sandy Alcantara. I like these cards.
Yeah,
really cool.
Those are cool.
Cal Mitchell, rookie.
Even with their cut, you know?
Yeah. Duran, rookie. Foil of Matt Chapman for Toronto. Cavalli. Hunter Brown. Josh Young. Michael Massey. Ashcraft. Zach Thompson. Encarnacion. Welcome to the club, Mike Trout, 30 for 30 Angels insert. All right, and JJ Bleday. All right, let's see what the silver pack has for us. We have Vladimir Guerrero Jr. Vlad Jr. for the Blue Jays. Willie Mays for the Giants. And for the Dodgers, Jackie Robinson. And Chris Bryant for the Rockies. I believe they were all the base mojos. They were. None of them were numbered. Again, Chris, Jackie, Willie, and Vlad Jr. All right. Box 2.
Cubs, Josh. Chicago Cubs.
We got the Cubbies. Let's go, Cubbies.
Josh popped to me like right at the right time. Huh?
Yeah, he did.
He's like, let me see if there's some unpaid magic in this.
Well, he just came to gloat about Embiid.
Got a team out of it?
Yeah, Embiid, you know,
Few teams.
destroying Ja yesterday.
I thought when I first saw the highlight, I was like, oh, please tell me he's okay.
Cool.
Yeah, he looked like he was just like...
Well, because what's his name pulled him down. And then, like, it's like he pulled him down and then Beats pushed his fucking shit up and it's the ball up his shit pipe. And Ja was like, all right, well, that hurt. But that's all right. Listen, if you go play in the sandbox, you're gonna get sand in your ears, man. It's just how it works.
Sand in your ears?
Yeah. I don't know if that's true, but I think it's true. I mean, he just literally jumped in there, and let's face it, he still goes into the paint more than anybody. But you're gonna get challenged from time to time, especially when it's a 2 or 3 on 1.
Yeah.
That's all right. All right. I mean, I know they're still in 3rd place, but man, they need to get their mojo back. Like, they need to get Steven Adams back is the problem. Steven Adams is A great facilitator for Ja. Oh, Josh. I think Tyler's morphine drip ran out.
Tyler,
Yeah.
bet you his nurse is like, get up.
Yeah, they probably yelled at him. Let's continue the madness here. Rookie of McKinnon, Joey Votto, throwback, Prado, Downs. And we have a cap patch for the Houston Astros, City Connect cap patch. I think we had one of these last time.
Yep.
Jose Altuve. There you go. That's cool. I'm just going to take the rookies out. I mean, all aces. Nolan Ryan, Texas Rangers. Otherwise, it's going to take forever. Already took me 20 minutes for the first box.
Do your thing.
Jose Abreu, throwback. Come on, give us some low numbered or some short prints. Here is a Future Stars, Jarren Duran, foil, not numbered, for the Boston Red Sox. That was for Alexander.
That's like perfect.
What?
That speed.
Max Meyer, rookie, Marlins. And we Detroit Tigers, Riley Green. Pick a game, 4 shot to win. You want a Trout auto, got it, understood. Certainly would understand why you'd want that. I'll do my best. You know I always try for you, Josh. 1-2 punch. I would certainly love to pull a low number Trout or Ohtani or and we got a throwback of Bobby Witt Jr. for the Royals. All card shipped, by the way, despite my protest.
You protested?
Silently, but it was a silent protest.
I was gonna say I didn't see a rat.
No. It was a sit-in. Actually, it's a hunger strike, as you can tell, like a legitimate hunger strike. 40 days.
40 days. No sugar.
No sugar. 1-2 punch. That's my silent protest. Gotta be pretty focused to catch all those rookies. Ron Acuna for the Braves. For Atlanta. I think that was Josh. Like they couldn't put the stupid rookie emblem or it's just so stupid. You think you're cute? Ohtani. Nice little insert. 2022 greatest hits. Here you go, Josh. And out of 2023, 193 out of 2023, Jeter Downs, Doodoo Brown. Doodoo Brown border. You're going to look it up like, does it really say Doodoo Brown? Does now. All right. Okay, backwards. There's a J-Rod for Seattle. Insert 2022. And come on, give me something good. There's a Robbie Ray. Let's hope Jeter Downs gets a spot on the Nats. Okay.
Nationals?
Spring training's what? Just around the corner, right?
Yes, it is.
You watch a lot of spring training down in Arizona? Josh, ever? Chris Bryant Rockies? Villar. Nice. What do you watch? Just anything and everything, whatever's going on, whatever you can get away to see. Just your teams. Welcome to the club, Cleveland, Jose Ramirez. Bobby's Giants. Yeah, makes sense. I've never been. I've heard it's fun. Shea Langeliers with a blue or teal border. Shea Langeliers, rookie, blue border. Not numbered, though. That's cool.
Oh my.
Yeah, that's cool. The A's. Makes you want to stop. Drop. All right, let's check out the silver pack. Let's check it out. See what we got. Alex Bregman for the Astros. There's Vavra, rookie for the Orioles. There's a Mike Trout for the Angels. And, oh, we got a redemption.
Oh boy.
Oh, boy.
It's just straight names.
I know. So I can't really do much with it. Congratulations. You receive baseball. Oh, it's a throwback. Parallel of Derek Hall for the Phillies. Derek Hall for the Phillies. That's Eric B.
There you go.
And then we did get a Trout, a Favre, and a Bregman. And all those were base mojos, not numbered. Hey, whatever. We got one. We got an extra auto. We'll take it.
I have a silver pack.
Yeah. Oh. So they're, yeah. So what is, how does that, I mean, why would they even do it if that's something that is worth skipping for them? For the sake of their health and conditioning, or no? Or is that frowned upon? Dusty floorboarding.
Floorboarding.
Yep. It's a fun tourney. Okay. Coming up after this, everyone, is break 489, which is football, American football. We've already done soccer today, and we've done racing, and now we're finishing up baseball. We have four boxes of Donruss football. Well, yeah, that's a given, isn't it? I presume USA can certainly lose to the Dominican Republic, or maybe even what, like Venezuela. I don't know if Venezuela has a. The US of A. Are you opening up the Sonic?
No.
Well, you might as well.
I mean, I can.
You're gonna have to pick the box for
Josh is gonna have to tell me which box he wants.
Oh my God, we're doing that.
I'm not pulling out all 16 though. That's crazy.
Josh, you can tell us which box you want as far as like it's a brand new case. It hasn't. We haven't even opened it yet.
Yeah. Left side, right side, 8 on each side. Tell me, right side, how many down?
All right.
Or the first one.
Left side, right side up, upside down. Just tell Art to pick it, and then it's all on him. All right. All right, let's continue here. 1-2 punch. Larry Wainwright. This is called a soft touch. Joe Barlow for Texas, due to Brown to 2023. This is a soft touch throw.
Box 7 on the right. All right, my man. You got it.
This is very, very, very delicate. Alex Bregman. Astros. I put him down ever so gently. Deliberately and gently. I mean, it's super, super gentle. Painting happy little trees.
You phrasing that
Bob Ross.
Bob Ross.
Gunnar Henderson, Baltimore Orioles. Bob Ross was a legend, a goat. Love Bob Ross. Used to come back from school and watch that shit, man.
Yeah.
And I hate it. He said, anybody can do it. Just you know
Just
what?
paint this bird.
Right.
Fucking birds. Never got it.
Right. Just look. Oh, that's a bird. Like I did that shit. I was like, God, fuck, it's over. Rafael Devers, Red Sox. And be like, being happy little trees.
How do we get on this topic?
Well, I don't know. My ever so soft Bob Ross gentle hands throw down of cards. Congratulations, you received a relic of Alex Kirilloff for the Minnesota Twins. Game used memorabilia, Minnesota. That is Craig F. There you go, Craig.
I gotta say it.
You made me think of Craig from the Ice Cube movie. What's it called? Friday, right?
Yeah.
All aces. Houston Astros. There you go. Justin Verlander. Or Justin Upton. I'm just hating because I'm jealous.
What?
He's married to Kate Upton.
Oh,
Josh Naylor.
I didn't know that. I think you brought it up before, but
That's what Kate does to you. You know, so. Chipper Jones. Atlanta Braves. There are no errors, just happy accidents. We don't even know what that's going to be. Maybe it's going to be a barn. Maybe it's going to be a tree.
what?
Maybe you don't remember this.
How do you remember this?
Oh my God, it's the best. It's happy accidents. No errors here. Aaron Judge. I went as Bob Ross for Halloween once. I still have his.
No, you didn't. Did you?
I still have his wig and palette and the shirt and everything, dude. The beard.
That explains everything.
Oh man, come on, Bob Ross is the best. Don't worry about it. Just leave the line there. We'll get back to it. It'll all fit in. It'll all fit in. Man, my shit never ever like you know what? It's a stream. We're gonna make it into a stream now. Just get some of these. Just mix your blue and purple. Mix it nicely. Just dab. Just dab. God damn, man. I don't even I have one paintbrush. How do you get all this? You got all these options. I'm 11, dude. Jeter Downs, rookie, Red Sox. Sir. That's what you get for being a latchkey kid, man. Parents were never home and said, get your ass home, and Bob Ross was my babysitter. Like, I want hair like Bob Ross. Welcome to the club, Sean Green.
This is what happens when we open up over 1,000 baseball cards.
Yeah, and then there's like, well, what do you want me to talk about? I can't talk about much. And I'm gently trying to put these cards down.
Ever so gently.
Ever so gently. Mookie Betts for the Dodgers. We're almost done here. Vlad Jr., Toronto. Pick a game for a shot to win. One-two punch. Cole and Severino. Got dizzy there for a second. I was like, oh. If I fall face forward one of these days, because I totally hypnotized myself.
with the cards?
Yeah, by looking at the damn rookie fucking logo. Rockies, Brendan Rodgers. Just saying. You got 25 people watching. No one's saying anything. You got to wonder what they're thinking. I really would love to hear your thoughts, guys. Don't wait to leave comments after we're done. Tell me now. Tell me how you feel now. There you go. Brandon Lowe, Tampa Bay Rays. Red foil. You got it, David. That was a good break for you, man. 35 of 199. Those were good hits. Okay. Well, that explains. Now I just got my answer. What everybody's doing? They're still watching the soccer and the the F1 break.
We're breaking too early these days.
Yeah. All right. Let's see what we got in here.
That early 9 o'clock slot.
All right.
Doesn't get a lot of viewership.
Vinny Pasquantino for the Royals. Bo Jackson, Bo knows Royals. Ozzie Smith for the Cardinals. And Bo Bichette for the Blue Jays. Pretty sure they're all base, and they are. So again, Bo, Ozzie, Bo. Oh, there's two Bo's in here. Bo Jackson, Bo Bichette. Bobo. All right, let's do some recap action here. We got a red wave of Brandon Lowe for the Rays, and that's going to be to 199, 35 of 199. Aaron Judge insert.
Red wave.
What? Red foil, I'm sorry. Red foil. Rodriguez foil. Josh Naylor foil. Verlander insert. Twins, Alex Kurloff, game use memorabilia patch, not numbered.
Thank you, Alex. Appreciate you.
Gunnar Henderson rookie insert. Duda Brown of Barlow to 2022. Or to 2023, I should say. It's the new year. This is a Shea Langeliers throwback A's. Not numbered, but the border is teal. Robbie Ray foil. Otani insert. J-Rod insert. Duda Brown of Downs to 2023. A Duran Duran foil. A Nolan Ryan Aces insert. City Connect Jose Altuve, Houston Astros. Not Connect Cap. Chapman foil. Sandy Alcantara Aces. Duda Brown Villar to 2023 rookie for the Giants. Cooper Marlins foil. Otani for the Angels Aces. Jordan Alvarez insert. A foil of Tyler Wells and a green foil of Bo Brieske for the Detroit Tigers to 499, 340 to 499. Our two autos were Travis Swaggerty and I guess I should say a redemption of Derek Hall. All right, everyone. We'll be right back with break 489.
Thank you, everyone.